morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Baby's lost in after this in front of us.
Before it's pop up.
Yeah, Lambo. You guys, as you can evidently hear, I still... What is he doing? He can do that? Oh, I guess because the runabout thing is not there. I still feel like how I felt yesterday, sneezing away, talking up in my voice, my eyes are runny. Oh, my face so white right here. And Tyler is still doing the same, right, Ty? Say morning face. Tyler is he's still stuffy, he's still sneezing, he's just like me. He's the only good one in the family. Can you say morning?
Morning, guys. Or should I say afternoon, guys? Well, it's just 12 somethings. Have a good day. Hello.
Anyway, you guys, I had to literally drag myself out the house, heading to the supermarket right now, and yeah, no hair comb. I just throw on a head wrap this morning because I don't have the strength to comb my hair, and I just dragged myself out of the house basically, and it looked like a beautiful day, and I really want to try and get some fresh air, even though I could simply go out on the balcony and do that, but I find the courage to drag myself out of the house and pull through, and Babe says a beautiful day. So
look, sky is blue, it's within 16 degrees outside, 16 Celsius degree outside.
So yeah, it really is a pretty day. So I dragged myself out. We're heading to the supermarket. First stop, I'm going to fruits and veggie store, and then to the grocery store after. Hopefully we will all feel better later. Every episode you guys get in now is going to be sick, but that's life, that's reality, and we show you our reality. So if it's sick that we're sick, then that's what you're gonna get. Anyway, you guys, we love you guys. If it's your first time to our channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below so we can know who you are. Catch up and keep up, and let's go to the fruits and veggie store. Let's see what's the finds gonna be today. Of course you want cheese. In here is very empty today. There's no one around. Nobody around. What Papa say? No cheese?
Yeah, what you want is cheese like to test
eat
right
now.
But they want now. So we just took one.
Trying these Floxy mango. You guys, it's lunchtime and we're at Burger King. Tyler, where are we? Let's see. Don't do that, okay? Where are we? King. And it's the height of lunchtime in here is so full. But we are hungry. So we are hunting food. Bacon lover is yours. Double steakhouse is mine. Fries. Oh, he has arrived. Tyler was in the playhouse. So he's ready to eat. It's your nuggets. You ready for it? From lunch, we're now doing Christmas shopping for Ty. And Tyler is obsessed with kitchens. He loves to cook. He loves to imagine cook. He just loves to anything to do with kitchen. That's Tyler. So we had originally said that we weren't gonna buy many kitchen because we don't have anywhere to put it. But knowing me, I'll find somewhere to put it because I want to see him happy. So I think we're going to go with one of these kitchen sets, and then I think we're gonna choose one of these kitchens for him because look at him, he's obsessed with kitchens. He loves kitchens. He loves to imaginary cook. He's like his mama. Look at him, he's just in his own world. Yeah, that one is fine. Is the dentist thing is plastic, and is the Play-Doh you have to use to create the teeth, and then this thing you turn it on. And look at him, he's been at the kitchen station and he's not moving. He loves kitchen. It just amazed me to see him. Oh, he's at this kitchen and he's washing his vegetables. He makes me want to cry. I'm such a hot, emotional mess. Look at me bawling. Look at this Indian bawling. He's just growing up so fast. And this Christmas shopping is getting me so emotional. Don't ask me why am I in the store bawling like a big baby. Because he's just growing up so much and he's so smart. Why am I crying? Oh Lord. I'm an emotional mess. Look at him. He loves the imaginary play, especially cooking, and he loves to pretend and say that he's a doctor. So he's been watching this thing on TV and he told us that he wants to be a dentist and he wants this dentist Play-Doh set. So of course I get it for him because, you know, when kids start out like this, you might never know if it's a path to their future really. So if he wants it, then I'm gonna buy it for him. If he's gonna end up love to cook, then make him love cook. If he's gonna end up be a dentist, then make him be a dentist. But once he love it, you best believe I'm gonna get it. Anyway, you guys, Christmas shopping has been fun and emotional. I'm just smiling just to see how my baby growing up. He's no longer a baby, he's a big boy now. Babe think I'm a mess, right? No? I'm a mess, not crying? Riding, baby, riding. Go like this. Wee, wee. Look at his face. Hold on to the yes, hold it like that. While babe getting Tyler gifts wrapped up there, right here, we're here having buggy fun. He's riding a horse. Hey guys, that brings us to the end of another vlog. I'm just here editing and realize that we didn't end that vlog, so I'm just coming on to end it with my boo-boo beside me. Tell her. He's in my bed. Say bye, babes. Bye, of course, he and I take over the bed and we run babe out of the bed. You hungry? What do you want? You want chocolate milk? Go tell Papa to get you one, please. Say please, okay? Whenever you hear him ask for chocolate milk, it's almost time for him to sleep. That's the last thing he does before bed. Chocolate milk, brush teeth, and sleep. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the love and all the blessings and everything that you guys have been sending our way. I just want to tell you guys to subscribe and turn on the notification if you guys haven't yet done so, and even if you've done so, just go to our channel. Every day a video will be there. You might not get your notification because YouTube is just doing us wrong, but we continue to be consistent and persistent and doing what we do and enjoy sharing our journey with you guys. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. You hear Tyler Tablet. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another daily vlog. Bye guys.